Is global warming really a myth, or is global colding a reality that we should be worried about? Despite the popular belief that the Earth is warming, there is evidence to suggest that it is actually cooling. While some may argue that the evidence of global warming is overwhelming, it is important to consider alternative viewpoints. One of the main arguments against global warming is the notion that climate change is a natural cycle. Proponents of global colding argue that the Earth has experienced periods of warming and cooling throughout its history. They believe that the current warming trend is simply another phase in this natural cycle. They also point to historical data that shows periods of global cooling, such as the Little Ice Age. Additionally, some scientists argue that solar activity plays a larger role in climate change than human activity. They claim that fluctuations in solar radiation have a more significant impact on Earth's temperature than greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, proponents of global colding argue that the Earth's climate is much more complex than we realize. They believe that climate models do not fully capture all the variables at play, leading to inaccurate predictions. Another argument against global warming is the notion that it is driven by political and economic agendas. Critics claim that fear of global warming has been exploited to push certain policies and generate financial profit. While the debate continues, it is clear that the topic of global warming versus global colding is polarizing. It is important for individuals to stay informed, consider all sides, and engage in open and respectful discussions. Ultimately, the truth may lie somewhere in between, and only further research and dialogue can provide answers.